Modern life is hard on hands. This massage makes it better. First, gently push the back of the hand with both hands to relax. Next, push and pull the thenar eminence. Knead the Hague acupoint. Press and knead the hypothenar. Knead and press the Laogong acupoint in the center of the palm. Start from the thumb joint. Slowly knead toward the fingertip. Knead the side first, then the front. Then the index finger. The middle finger. The middle finger. The little finger. Pull the fingers starting from the finger joints. Pull each one to the fingertip. Next is pushing the fingers. Push from the heel of the palm to the fingertips. Then stretch the palm and finger muscles outward. Push with both hands together. Push all the fingers once. Finally, shake the arm and finish.